Hello out there and welcome to this quick tip. This is Johannes for StudioBlonde, and today I'm going to show you how to use your GoPro 9 as a webcam on your computer. First, go to your browser and search for GoPro webcam app. Depending on which operating system you work, you should choose Windows or Mac edition. I'm going to show you how to use it on a Windows PC, but it's almost the same on a Mac. Only the taskbar where the app icon is going to appear later on is usually on the top of your screen. You will see some results in your search. I downloaded the app from chip.de and I will post the link down in the description. But you can also use other websites for downloading it. Download the installer and run it on your computer. Click through the installation process and reboot your computer after it's finished. In the meantime, turn on your GoPro 9, go to Connections in the settings and choose the GoPro Connect option. When your computer is running again, connect your running GoPro via USB to your computer. Double-click on the GoPro webcam app. There's no window popping up, but you will find a little GoPro icon in the taskbar. When you right-click that icon, it will show you different options. Click Show Preview to see the image your GoPro is sending to your computer. When you click Digital Lens, you can change the framing of your GoPro. Adjust it to your liking and voila! Your GoPro is ready to be used in Microsoft Teams, Skype, and all the other applications you want to use it. Just remember to switch on your GoPro before connecting it to the computer, and always start the GoPro webcam app before you start your app you want to use it in. That's it. I hope you enjoy using your GoPro as a webcam. Let me know if that helps. If you got further questions, just write them in the comments, leave a like, and if you don't want to miss further quick tips, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Peace.